Good morning, students. Exercise 4.4, third sum. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find the length and breadth. So what are the conditions is given? Length is twice its breadth. So first we have to assume breadth as x. Therefore, we are taking breadth as x meter. Then length will be twice its breadth. So length is equal to 2x for rectangular mango grove we are writing. So what is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here length is 2x, breadth we have assumed it as x. First it is unknown as breadth. Length is related to breadth. That is why we are taking breadth as x and length is 2 times of breadth. Area of the rectangle is 800. It is given in the question. Area is 800. So I am substituting 800 is equal to length is 2x. So substitute breadth is x. Now when I am multiplying this 2x into x, I will get 2x square. 800, this 2 I am bringing down to the denominator. 800 divided by 2 is equal to x square. 800 divided by 2 will give you 400. Therefore, x square is equal to 400. X is equal to square root of 400. Square root of 400 is 20. Therefore, x is nothing but what we have assumed it as breadth. Therefore, breadth is equal to 20 meter. Length is equal to what we have assumed as 2x. So, which is equal to 2 into 20, which is equal to 40 meter. Therefore, length is 40 meter. Fourth sum. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine the present age. The sum of the ages of two friends is given as 20 years. That is one friend and his another friend. Two friends together it is given as 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages was 48. So 4 years ago means 4 years before, whatever the age, when we are multiplying, product is nothing but when we are multiplying their ages, it is 48 they have given. So we are going to take, let one friend age be x. It is given as a sum of their ages is 20. So sum of their ages is 20. That is one friend plus another friend age is 20. So another friend age will be 20 minus first friend. So age of the another friend is 20 minus x. As the condition is given first like this, so we are writing this. Then what is given? 4 years ago. 4 years ago means what is that? 4 years before. So one friend age is x means before 4 years what will be the age? For example, if your age is 16, 4 years before what will be your age means you will subtract and you will say the same concept only. Here x is the age means 4 years before means we have to subtract x minus 4. The same way for another friend also. What we are going to do? 20 minus x minus 4. This 20 minus 4 will give you 16 minus x. What is the given condition is 4 years ago the product of their ages is 48. So the condition product of their ages is 48. So product we are multiplying x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. Normal multiplication. X into 16. So I'll get 16x. X into minus 6 minus x square. Minus 4 into 16 minus 64. Minus 4 into minus x. So plus 4x. Bringing this 48 to this side. Minus 48 equal to 0. Minus x square. Here 16x is there. Here 4x is there. 16 plus 4 20x. Here 48 is there, sorry, here 64 is there, here 48 is there. Both are in minuses. So we have to put minus symbol and we have to add. So when I am adding, I will get 112 equal to 0. Now negative part coefficient of x square I don't want. So I am going to multiply with one negative sign throughout the equation. So I will get x square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. Now this looks like the quadratic equation. So A is equal to 1. Nothing means it is understood as 1 value. B is equal to minus 20. C is equal to 112. First we are going to verify the condition whether the situation is possible. If it is possible only we are going to find their ages. So we are going to verify the condition. Discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC. B square value is minus 20 square minus 4 into A value is 1, C value is 112. Now 20 square is 400 minus 4 into 112 is minus 448. When I am subtracting I am getting minus 48. Value, negative value which is less than 0. So we cannot find the value. The quadratic equation has, according to the condition, the quadratic equation has no real roots. Thus, the given situation is not possible. Fifth sum. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find the length and breadth. So what are the conditions is given? Perimeter is given as 80 meter. Area is given as 400 meter square. No other informations are given. So we are either you can take breadth as x or it is your wish you can take length also as x since there is no relationship is given. But I have taken breadth as x for this sum. So let the breadth be x. Then perimeter is given as 80. Perimeter is what is the formula? 2 into L plus B equal to 80. L plus B is equal to 80 by 2. I am bringing this 2 to here. So by 2. When I am cancelling I will get 40. Therefore, L is equal to 40 minus breadth. But what is the breadth? I have assumed here as x. Therefore, length is equal to 40 minus x. So, breadth I am taking it as x. Length I am getting it as 40 minus x. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to given as, area is given as 400. So I am writing the formula, same time I am writing the value also. L into B, which is equal to 400. What is the length we have taken as? 40 minus x into breadth is x equal to 400. Now multiply 40 into x is 40x minus x into x square minus x square equal to 400. Now minus x square plus 40x. I am just interchanging and making it as equation. Bring this to this side. Minus 400 equal to 0. Now the entire equation x square is negative. So I am going to multiply the entire equation with a negative sign. So I'll get x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. What is the value of A is 1. Value of B is minus 40. C is 400. So I have written all the values. X as 1, B is minus 40, C is 400. First we are going to verify the condition. Discriminant D is equal to B square minus 4AC formula. Substitute minus 40 square minus 4 into 1 into C value is 400. 1040 square is 1600 minus 4 into 400 1600 is 0. If discriminant is a 0 means it has two equal real roots. Therefore the quadratic equation has two equal real roots. Now I am writing the formula. Same formula only. X is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC that we have found it already. So I am writing it as capital D by 2A. X is equal to minus is there in the formula I am writing. B value again it is minus 40. Substitute plus or minus discriminant value already I have found it. So square root of 0. Square root of 0 is nothing but a 0 only. Divide by 2 into 1. X is equal to minus into minus 40 will give you plus 40. This part 0 only, so no need to write. Divide by 2. When I am cancelling, I will get to 20. X is equal to 20. Therefore, breadth is equal to, that is what we assumed as x equal to 20 meter. Length is equal to 40 minus 6. That is 40 minus 20 which is equal to 20 meter. Thank you children. This chapter is over. Next chapter Bindu ma'am will continue coordinate geometry. Thank you.